Assalamualaikum to Miss atas name. My name is Wan Muhammad Ihsanuddin bin Wan Idris. My ID number is MH13007.
Assalamualaikum to Miss atas name. My name is Miftah Farid bin Muhammad Azmi. ID MA13196. Okay, today I want to present about our group project in computer programming. Okay, this is the background of the program. The program that we create is related with two subtopics in the dynamic. The first subtopic is force and acceleration. The second one is conservation of momentum. Both of these topics also have two different situations. This is because when we calculate the two topics, we must consider the situation, which is we calculate the kinematic of particle or rigid body. In this programming, we were using if-else looping to easy students choose their question to answer. We also apply the mathematically expression. This program helps students to choose the way of solution to solve the problem. The program will help the student to analyze and solve the problem easily and faster.
This is the problem statement for our programming. There are some problem statements. First, to find the acceleration in kinematic of particle or rigid body. Second, to find the momentum in kinematic of particle or rigid body. Third one, to analyze the situation based on the information needed on this program. And this is our objective from the program. The first is to apply the C programming in solving the dynamics problem. Second, to make the analysis of problem easier by using the looping in the C programming.
This is the first question that we solve from our programming. Okay, the 50 kg crate shown in figure A rests on a horizontal surface for which the coefficient of kinetic friction is mu k equal to 0.3. If the crate is subjected to a 400 Newton towing force as shown, determine the velocity of the crate in 3 seconds starting from rest. Okay, this is our flowchart for the programming. Okay, first we start here and we found if-else looping. The program asks 1 for particle and 2 for rigid body. For question 1, we choose 1 for particle and we found if-else looping again. Okay, the program asks 1 for acceleration and 2 for momentum. We choose 1 for acceleration. And we must input the M for mass, F for force, and T for time. Okay, this is the process and the formula. And then this is the output for the question 1. K for Fx, N for Fy, W for mass times gravitational pull, Q for simplified equation from simultaneous, and S for acceleration. And then the program ends. Okay, this is our programming. Okay, our programming include stdi.h, mat.h, float.h, and we define G for 9.81. Okay, this we declare the integer A, B, and C. And the float we declare B1, B2, CA, W, M, F, T, and so on. Okay, after that we use printf, and the program asks to choose 1 for kinematic of particle and 2 for kinematic of rigid body, and we choose 1 for kinematic of particle, and then we use if else looping. Okay, if we choose 1, the program asks again to choose for 1 for topic force and acceleration, and 2 for topic conservation of momentum. Okay, and we choose 1 again, and if we choose 1, this is our calculation and the formula, and then we try to run the program. Okay, we run. Okay, the program asks please choose the type of question. Okay, we choose 1 for kinematic of particle, and then the program asks to choose the topic, 1 for force and acceleration and 2 for conservation of momentum. We choose 1 again. Okay, and then the program asks to input the mass. In our question, the mass is 50, and the program asks for the force. Force is 400, and then the program asks the degree in radian, 0.52368. Okay, and then this is the answer for acceleration for our question, 5.185047. Then exit code.
This is question number 2. Question asks, the 10 kilogram wheel shown in figure above has a momentum of inertia Ig equal to 0.156 kilogram times m square. Assuming that the wheel does not slip or rebound, determine the minimum velocity Vg2 it must have to just roll over the obstruction at A, and velocity initial Vg1 equal to 0.729 meter per second. Okay, this is the figure. Let's figure. Okay, this is our flowchart. Firstly, we start here, and then we found the if else looping, 1 for particle and 2 for rigid body. We choose 2 for rigid body, and then we found the if else looping again, 1 for acceleration, 2 for momentum. We choose 2 for momentum, and then this is input, m equal to mass 1, m2 equal to mass 2, b1 equal to velocity ball 1, and b2 equal to velocity ball 2. And then this is our process and formula. and then this is output. M equal to the difference of radius this before an instantaneous heating, and O the ratio of first velocity before heating, and then V the new velocity after heating, and then the program end. Okay, this is our coding. We use if else looping to solve the question. The program asks for 1 for kinematic of particle and 2 for kinematic of rigid body, and we choose 2 for kinematic of rigid body. Okay, and we found if else looping again. The program asks for 1 for force and acceleration, and 2 for conservation of momentum, and we choose 2 for momentum. And this is the formula and process for conservation of momentum before heating. And this is a conservation process and formula of momentum after heating. Okay, now we try to run for the question 2. The program asks, please choose the type of question. 1 for kinematic of particle and 2 for kinematic of rigid body. We choose 2 for kinematic of rigid body. Enter. And then program asks, please choose your problem. 1 for force and acceleration and 2 for conservation of momentum, and we choose 2 again. And then the program asks the outer radius. The outer radius is 0.2. Enter. And then the distance from center to the heating point is 0.03. Enter. The weight is 10. Enter. And then the velocity initial is 0.729. Enter. And then the program asks the after heating. The outer radius is 0.2. Enter. And then the distance from floor to the heating point is 0, and the weight is 10. After that, we got the answer for velocity final is 0.619650 exit code.
Okay, this is the conclusion of the programming. As a conclusion, the C programming can help to solve any various type of problem. For example, the C programming can be created to solve mathematical problem, multi-choice situation problem by applying the correct looping. All of the looping can be applied for solve the problem such as if else, do while, switch case, and array. Moreover, C program also can help us to make the problem solving with easily and short solution. C programming also flexible programming because it can be applied by any command while creating the programming. For example, if else looping can be placed by switch break looping.